welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the September Glossybox. And also, FYI, it is flipping cold where I am. It was 2 degrees this morning. 2 degrees. Like, I'm wearing a sweater. It's so early for that. And I will not turn on my heat because I'm cheap. So let's see what we have inside. Rant over. Okay, so we just have our standard pink box for this month. And we will open it up. Give a little sneak peek. So that is the packaging. It's always so lovely. And the theme is, it's September, spa time. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is what we have. So let's start with whatever this squeezy tube is. So this is from Codex Beauty. And it says BIA, B-I-A, exfoliating wash with milk thistle and elderflower. So this is actually a face and neck cleanser exfoliator. So we'll try that out. I like a good skin cleanser. And then next up, from Daily Concepts, it is a Daily Beauty headband. Oh, comfortably control hair. Oh, I don't have one of these. Starting directions. Perfect to sweep hair off your face when cleansing and applying a face mask, or even to comfortably control hair as you apply makeup. Elastic band and soft material make for comfortable fit that also absorbs excess moisture. I definitely could use one of these. Especially now that my hair is shorter, so it's harder to put up in a ponytail when I'm cleansing. Do I have a handy knife at all? Yes, let's cut into this without killing ourselves. So it's pink. It's stretchy. I have a big old melon. Let's see if it fits over top of my head. Oh, barely. Just barely. Just mess everything up. Oh, I bet you couldn't tell, but I literally have the world's largest forehead. It's like the size of my palm. But this is nice. I mean, it's snug, but not too snug, and it definitely gets all the hair away from my face. So I'm very excited. Gotta stop staying excited. I love it. I love it. What do we have now? Okay, so from Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. It is the serum smooths and adds gloss and conceals split ends, giving state-of-the-art heat protection and the ultimate professional finish. So it is a hair serum. Not terribly, exhilarating, but still useful. Okay, next we have a packet, a face mask, I'm going to guess. It is a ruby sheet mask from Vitamasks. It is to recharge mind and restore skin, made with ruby stone powder and goji berries. So it's a 4-in-1. Gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy, and color therapy. Oh, that's cool. A new generation Korean face mask combines skincare with gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, and color therapy to achieve multi-sensory results. The pink colored mask contains ruby powder and geranium essential oils to help you to recharge your mind. At the same time, the red plant extracts such as pomegranate and goji berries help to restore your skin. I love a good sheet mask. I like to do them on like Friday nights and Sunday nights. Any other night. I'm going to add this to my stockpile and give it a try. Okay, 2 items left. Let's grab this tiny little one. So this is from Miss Flower and Mr. Honey. It just says Cream Vanilla Co. There's writing on here, but it is white and it is tiny and there's no way I can read that. It smells good, whatever it is. We'll look at the pamphlet at the end and see exactly what this is. It's cute though. And then our last box thing is from this brand, Melusine Paris. What is it? Doesn't give any indication on the box what this might be. Hopefully it's something good. Oh, a little jade roller. That's cute. Oh, I love these. These are really good for, like, my skin is always, it's always so red, and I wish it wasn't. I'm like literally anxious all the time. So that anytime I'm embarrassed or stressed out or anxious, my face just turns red, and I hate that so much. So this kind of just helps to calm the redness because it's nice and cool. I'm just gonna keep doing this because it feels really good. Oh, it feels nice under the eyes. I have one that has, it's dual ended. You know, you could probably even use the handle. I don't know. Just nice and cold. I love cold things on the skin. We just do a video of me doing this for an hour. That would be exciting for everyone. So that's our last item in this box. So let's get some pricing and maybe a description on an item or two. Okay. So this is called the Magic Jade Roller, and it is $21. Oh, I didn't get something. That always happens to me. So I was supposed to get a breakout spot treatment from Rosen Skincare for $12, but I didn't get it. The Vitamasks Ruby Sheet Mask is $7. This lovely headband is $12. The Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. So it's the ultimate power couple in a jar. This blend of royal jelly and yellow flower is soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. So this is a deluxe size, and it's worth $6, and the full size would have been worth $42. The Codex Beauty Bia Exfoliating Wash. This is a deluxe size worth $18, and the full size would be $45. I feel like I have something else. Okay, so instead of getting the Rosen Skincare Breakout, I think I got this Swell. But I don't know how much it costs. So I'm going to see if I can Google it. And then we'll get a price on everything. Okay, I did the calculations. So what I could find on the internet, this is valued at $13.50. So the total of our September box, my fancy calculations, is $77.50. Which is okay. It's not great. The box is $25. I think $20 or $25. So the value's there, but I didn't love everything. I love makeup items the most, and there wasn't any in this box. I mean, I know it's a spa box, but still. I mean, it's good for self-care. We got self-care right now. So let me pick my favorites out of what we did get. So this headband is very handy. This sheet mask, the jade roller. Actually, let's go headband, jade roller, then the sheet mask. Then this honey bar cream, and the exfoliating wash, and then the hair serum. Yes, those will be what I go for, I think. Yeah. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. As always, I really appreciate your continued support. I hope you enjoy these videos. Sometimes my husband's not here, sometimes he is, and I usually like to have him in the videos, but he's just not home at the moment, and my hair was kind of straightened, so I wanted to get a video done while I kind of looked half decent. Yeah, so if you wouldn't mind liking this video, you can also subscribe to my channel by clicking here, and there's more videos for you to view here and here. And yeah, have a great day. Thank you for watching.